You got plenty of room so you can give a little bump.
What's that?
You got plenty of room here so you can give a little bump because you're short. You got plenty of room up here so you can give it a little bump to get up because you can stop. Passenger? Hold that, Chris.
Huh?
Hold that.
You're gonna have to hook me on this one.
You're gonna have to back up a little. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Little more. Hold that. Turn passenger.
Passenger?
Yep. No, driver, I mean, sorry. Yeah, right there.